Hello folks. Welcome to my video. In this video, I am going to show you how to drive this LED chip with a boost converter module. I will need a power source. I want to use this 12-volt battery. This is the voltage booster module. Soldering some wires to input and output to connect the LED chip to the booster module and power source. Soldering a 9mm female connector. Using heat shrinks to prevent short circuit. Adjusting the voltage with the potentiometer to 36 volt, which is required to drive this LED chip. Using the multimeter and diode mode to identify the positive and negative rail. Connecting the LED to output of the booster module. Connect the battery, and it lights up. But the LED is heating up. using a heatsink to prevent the chip from burning up. The surface of this heatsink is a bit rough. Wet sanding to smooth out the heatsink. This will help to conduct the heat better. Much better than before. Cleaning the surface with isopropyl alcohol. Using thermal paste between the chip and heatsink. Mounting the chip with screws. Making sure nothing shortens. Connect the battery. Now the LED will not burn up, but it's not suitable for continuous usage. Caution! The boost module will get hot and can burn. Don't use continuously. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.